Hello everyone, Daisy here with another layout for Kitaholic Kits. This is a super fast layout or video, and for that I apologize. I had thought I was recording this and I kind of put the page together, but it turned out that it wasn't actually recording, so I hadn't stuck anything down, so I just kind of brushed everything off to the side and decided to kind of put it back together for you on camera. So I do apologize for that, but yeah, so I'm using the Mother's Day cut file that was exclusive to the kits, and again, this is the May kit, and so it is based around the Kaiser Craft Paisley Days collection. And so I cut the floral out of this pink paper and just sticking that down. And I didn't back it. I actually had like this whole other layout planned where I had cut that out on a bigger scale, and I had backed it with a bunch of different scraps and some die cuts and things, and I just was not in love with it, so I decided to kind of scratch that and start over. And so this is kind of what I came up with. And I'm just deciding how I want to layer these frames. So I have the floral on one side, and I'm going to try to balance it out with the frames on the other side. And I don't even know if this works, but in my head it was perfect. So yeah, I guess it's up to everybody to judge it for themselves. But I kind of like this concept that I'm going for here, and I don't even know what to call it, but just so you know, this is only sped up 2 times. Usually my videos are 4 times fast, but because it was so short, I couldn't speed it up anymore, otherwise it'd be like a minute and a half. So yeah, so if it seems slow to you, that's why. I was just going to do it the whole real-time video, but it was just excruciating for me to try to voice over, so sorry about that. So I'm liking the way the frames are, and now I'm going to stick down. I also cut the word day from the Mother's Day in that same pink paper because I wanted to balance it out on that other side because I knew I didn't have a pink frame. And so I'm kind of building my title over there. I pulled the Happy from the Patio Party Thickers that came in the main kit. And actually this is all from the main kit. And then I'm pulling in these florals and a couple of little leaf pieces and that word love. And so my title is going to end up being Love This Happy Day. And this was just a day where I had taken the kids by myself to a dance competition for my older daughter, and we just spent the day doing fun things, and it was a great day. So that's what the picture is of. And so now I'm going to add to the top this strip of that same pink paper, and then one of these branding strips that have the word love repeated on it. And this is pretty much my layout. So I think the only thing I do off camera is I add some stickles, and I just kind of dot it around the page to make it look like, you know, sequins or enamel dots or something like that. And I kind of go a little nuts and do it all over the page. So you will see that in the close-up. But I love the little sparkle that it gives all over. And I am going to back my photo with a couple of scrap pieces of paper. I have pretty much killed this kit. I have used everything except for one 12 by 12 piece of paper, and I have used most of the die cuts, and I still do have quite a few of the Patio Party title pieces left. So I will definitely be using those in the future. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in any of these products, you can head on over to the kitaholickits.com and see they do have some of the pieces available in the shop, so you would be able to pick them up there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!